Hey guys, welcome back to another new videos and LawGuru welcomes you. So today in this video we will be discussing about classes of criminal codes or different types or different classifications of criminal codes. So before starting this video, if you have not subscribed my channel, please go subscribe so that you all get CRPC related videos regularly. So let's start this video. Classes of criminal codes is given, or the provisions for the classes of criminal codes is given in section 6 of the Criminal Procedure Code or CRPC. This section says, beside the high courts and the courts constituted under any law other than this code, there shall be in every state the following classes of criminal courts. It means beside high court, the courts constituted under any law other than this code. In this code, there shall be in every state the following types of criminal codes or following classes of criminal codes. They are: first, in every state there shall be a court of session. Second, judicial magistrate of the first class, and in any metropolitan area, metropolitan magistrate. Third, judicial magistrate of the second class, and last, executive magistrate. We will study each of these courts individually in individual videos. Now, what is meant by metropolitan area? Metropolitan area, the provisions of the metropolitan area is given under section 8 of the CRPC or the Criminal Procedure Code. According to that section, or according to section 8, metropolitan area, in short, it means any area in the state comprising a city or town whose population exceeds 1 million shall be a metropolitan area for the purpose of this code. Okay, if any area in a state comprising a city or a town, if that area's population exceeds 1 million, then that area will be called as a metropolitan area. I hope this video is clear to you. If you have any doubt, please do comment, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe for more such videos. For then, stay safe. Thank you.